All right, guys, you know I love follow-ups. This is a 4-month follow-up. You may remember this guy, Michael, well-known high school basketball coach here locally. Great guy. So he's here for about a 5-month follow-up today. This is him before. He's in the room there. Let's go and see how he looks, see how he's doing. Come on in. Here he is.
Hey, Darren.
Hey, man. How you doing?
Good to see you.
Looking good. Guys, this is 5 months after his multi-unit hair grafting procedure. Looks great, man. Obviously, I haven't seen you for a while, and you know, a hairline always makes someone look like they've lost weight. You know, first thing I see, man, you lose weight, but stressful season will kind of do that to you. So how's the hair doing, man? It looks awesome.
It's going well. Everything you guys said is happening. Came in well at 4 months, and exciting to know that it's going to continue to come in for another 7 or 8 months.
Guys, he's been a really good patient. So he's taken that global approach, which we talked about, right? Keeping what you've got, putting back what you've lost, and that's huge because although we can get a lot of hair up there with multi-unit hair grafting, you've still got hair that's not transplanted that's up there. So he's doing modalities to keep that, and that global approach long-term gives you the best long-term result. You get little variations in the way the hair grows, and if you come all the way down, and all the follicles when we take it from the back are transplanted, and they're in different phases of that growing cycle, so they come in at different stages. So you get this little bit of a slight patchy look, which is going to become a lot more contiguous as the hair grows in and continues to mature over the next 3 to 5 months. Now, hairline wise, we want to give him an age-specific look. Now, obviously a masculine-looking guy, you keep some of this natural receding. We blend into the side here. You can just see that side profile and how natural and how good the angles are. That's the artistry of the physician with regards to getting that hair to sit and layer really naturally. If we come all the way around here and look up at the ceiling for me, Mike, if you would. Okay, so with the transplant, we got all the way back to the back edge of this crown, right about here, guys. And then we fan the hair out a little bit so it looks natural. This area in here is where we stop the transplant because we can only get so much at one time. But as you can see, his existing hair that's not transplanted is starting to blend in there really nicely. It's going to end up just nice and contiguous, really good look. Just bring the chin down a little bit, Mike. Come in here. Suture line. One of the benefits of multi-unit hair grafting is we get a lot of density and coverage in a single transplant. If we come in really close here, you can see that little pencil thin line there. Now the hair is actually growing back through the suture line, which is what happens when we do what we call a trichophytic closure. A little bit of light redness around that area. That redness will fade over time. It's just the hair follicles that are coming back through the ear, and they irritate that just a little bit as they do that. So that's a perfect example of a great suture line. Mike, good to see you. Appreciate your trust. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
For a free evaluation, call PAI at 888-724-5129 or go to WeGrowHairIndy.com.